guys, it's Heath from Bogan Street Bike Gang. Just to update, we bought a Cub camper. We got rid of the X-Trail and we just had a problem. We were worried about the people breaking into the rear door, so we've put a padlock and a bus hasp and staple on it. So I'll just give you a quick run, show you how it works. Take our padlock off and we just drop our hasp down like that, and we can remove our springs to hold the door. And then yeah, so we were worried about issues when we were out travelling with people just being able to remove the springs. So we wanted something robust on there. It's made in Germany. It's in a bus 110 by 195. I bought that from the lock shop in Victoria. Very helpful they were. So we just connect the springs back up. And then it's just a simple matter of putting that back around, a hasp and staple, and then a big nice thick lock. And I'm happy it's got that little cover, especially because we're out in the bush. The dirt will get into it, so gives it something. And I just put a bit of foam tape around it just so it won't scratch the paintwork. Righto, thanks guys, that's Heath from Bogan Street Bike Gang. That's our solution to the Cub rear door. So padlock now. Thanks guys, bye.